every bite we take has the power to shape our planet's future. Did you know that embracing a plant-based diet is one of the most impactful ways to combat climate change? While a 2-degree Fahrenheit rise in global temperatures might seem insignificant, its consequences are far-reaching, altering weather patterns, disrupting ecosystems, and even affecting our health. But here's the good news. Making small, conscious changes in our diets can collectively make a huge difference. We sat down with vegan food blogger Hannah Sunderani of 2 Spoons to explore how simple, delicious vegan choices can be both earth-friendly and fun. Scroll down for her mouth-watering salad recipe and expert tips. BC, how does a vegan diet impact the environment? Hannah, the benefits of a vegan diet for the environment are truly remarkable. From conserving water to reducing deforestation, it's a win-win for wildlife, oceans, and even global food security. Jack Monroe sums it up perfectly. One person eating vegan just 1 day a week saves 40 pounds of grain, 1,100 gallons of water, 30 square feet of forest, and 1 animal. Imagine the impact if we did this daily. It's one of the most powerful actions we can take for the planet. But here's where it gets controversial. Some argue that veganism isn't the only solution. What do you think? Is going vegan the best way to help the environment? Or are there other equally important steps? B+, what are some easy ways to go vegan? Hannah, going vegan is simpler than you might think. Many of your favorite foods are already vegan-friendly. Take dark chocolate. 70% cocoa or higher is dairy-free, making it a perfect guilt-free treat. Another tip? Search for vegan versions of your go-to meals. For example, my lentil bolognese swaps beef for lentils, creating a 3-minute dish that's both satisfying and sustainable. And this is the part most people miss. You don't have to sacrifice flavor. Vegan cooking can be just as delicious, if not more so. B+, what are the best easy meals for beginner vegans? Hannah, my vegan Alfredo sauce is a family favorite. Creamy, quick, and perfect for last-minute dinners. Indian dishes like my cauliflower chickpea curry are also naturally vegan-friendly, packed with spices and wholesome ingredients. These recipes prove that vegan meals are anything but boring. B+, how can I make a vegan salad exciting? Hannah, salads are anything but bland when done right. My Moroccan carrot and chickpea salad is a protein-packed masterpiece with a Moroccan-spiced balsamic vinaigrette that'll blow your mind. The secret? Layering flavors, textures, and colors. Vegans know how to make vegetables shine. But here's a thought. Do you think vegan salads are underrated, or do they still have a reputation for being rabbit food? B+, any tips for making tofu taste amazing? Hannah, tofu is like the chameleon of the plant-based world. It takes on any flavor you give it. My crispy baked tofu recipe is a game changer. Coated in a lemon ginger marinade and roasted to perfection, it's a hit even with tofu skeptics, like my mother-in-law. And yes, you can even use it in desserts. My vegan chocolate mousse is proof. But here's a question. Is tofu a staple in your kitchen, or are you still on the fence? Spring mix salad with lemon baked tofu recipe. For the baked lemon tofu bits, 1 block extra firm tofu, 2-inch piece fresh ginger, peeled and finely chopped, 3 tablespoons olive oil, zest of 1 lemon, 2½ tablespoons lemon juice, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon white miso, 1 teaspoon agave, 1/4 teaspoon dried dill, 1/4 teaspoon fine sea salt, 1/8 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper. For the lemon vinaigrette, 1/4 cup lemon juice, 1 green onion finely chopped, 1/4 cup olive oil, 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard, 1/4 teaspoon dried dill, 1/4 teaspoon fine sea salt, 1/8 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper. For the spring salad, 4 cups spring greens, ½ cup cooked quinoa, 2 radishes, thinly sliced, 1 avocado, peeled and sliced, 1 cup cooked edamame or peas, 1/4 cup fresh mint, chopped. Instructions. 1. Preheat oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Press tofu for 15 minutes to remove excess water. 2. Mix ginger, olive oil, lemon zest, juice, mustard, miso, agave, dill, salt, and pepper. Break tofu into chunks, toss in sauce, and bake for 30 to 35 minutes until crispy. 3. Whisk together vinaigrette ingredients. 4. Assemble salad with greens, quinoa, radishes, avocado, edamame, and mint. Top with tofu and drizzle with vinaigrette. Ready to give it a try? Sign up for our newsletter for more earth-friendly recipes and join the conversation. How are you making your diet more sustainable?